So getting ready for the big show tomorrow, right? Today is weekday. I have some wigs that I'm going to try and choose with me. I am going to fit them up and you tell me which one look more elegant. Okay? Here we go. Seriously, I'm not lying on you. So this is a wig I'm gonna wear all the time. But I wash it yesterday. But what I can do is just bring it to my hairdresser and make sure fit it up. So I wash it yesterday and I gotta make sure fit it up. Let me try it out and show you. Well, this not dry good, but I don't know it's a tomorrow thing. So when I'm ready, I'm gonna go on my business. I fit me with them myself and put them on. My daughter said, when I tell her, I said, I'm going to put on my wig myself tomorrow. She said, no, 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 no. You got to make somebody fit it up. So this is one of my wig. I'm going to love this wig, right? But I have to make my edges fit it up. See? It's a good length. But I'm an everyday wig this set. Okay, take this off. So this is number 2. Alright? I'm going to spray oil on it. I washed this yesterday too. This one I make everyday wig. I spray oil on it and it make it look wetty. So I'm not going to wear this. You never know. I shouldn't spray oil sheen on it. The oil there, wig sheen. I should have never bought this. So that was wrong. But I'm going to fit this up now. This is one of my favorite wigs, but it's still not dry properly. It look like wet fall. So this is one of my favorite wigs. I'm always wear every day I wear this. So that means something for buying it on. You get what I'm saying? That means something for buying anything. You need to lose some pound and for me that never do squats. Kidding. Alright, so yeah. And where this the graduation my dear. It won't fix right here, so it lift up. I never get no time for bloom, never get no time for the nothing. So because of that, I never take much picture when we go out in here. It lift up. Alright, so this is number 2. So I'm gonna try a number 3. I'm making them now. But I'm mostly curly here me have. Let's see. So this wig, look at it, it's still in the mesh and everything. I had this wig from 2015. I told you, I'm not a wig person. And there's a girl at Jamaica, my daughter here just make this wig for me at Jamaica. And the way I love it. So what happened was it did a lift off. The stitch them did a lift off. I'm gonna send extra ear to give her and tell her to fix it. I should fix it and send it back. See there? I'll curl it and send it back to me. So this is a really old wig from 2015. Let me tell you, say a good year then. A good year. So, this not need an ear just have a fix. This just need a brush down. You just need to brush down and fix on me one to fix. You know, what I like is when they send me ear them, but it's not a tall wig, but choose. So I not really like wig, my head big, and I not really a wig person. My head big and I put on wig on it, my head goes so big. Alright, so this could be it from 2015. Tell me not have it. I'm not have it then buy no wig. I'm all with them. And they never cheap. A quality wear this. Me used to wear this go everywhere. All work. I see then she fix it up back and send it come give me. Can still there. Okay, so this is number 2 wig. She make this similar to a Jamaica. Number 2, number 4 wig. She make this to a Jamaica, but this never wear. Yeah, then. Yeah, that one here never wear. She build this one. So the other one are brown inside. And this is a short wig. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this either. But let me try it on still. So either one can wear. You know, you have to just style it up how you want it. You have to just fix it how you want it to. So this one number 4. But me now wear this. That's for sure. None of them 2 here now wear. But just to show you so I have wig. I'm in a sofa. And I can wear whatever I want. So, alright. I'm gonna try 2 more. I'm gonna try no more. One little short wig I have from 19th century and a quality year again. By 1 year. I think I one year never wear. 1 year we have 1 time already. The heavy. See? Yeah, 1 year we have 1 time. So but I wear this. I don't know if I buy none. I just need to care about to pick up every year just the one nose. You see it on this kind of wall the seam. See? So sometimes you might not know them different. This have a little bigger curls. Heavier? Heavy from the head. Yeah, I think I don't care. I want to make the ear just fit it up for me. And fix it up. So maybe. So I'm getting ready for the day. Can't even find the part. Somebody are calling. Let me see if I open. Okay, where was I? Because I got a phone call and then now I start watch Auntie Donna and I watch Dines. So let's see. Alright, so let's sit on our weekday. This is the last one. Me I try to get exhausted. So let me see guys. Oh god. I pay a curly wig me have you know. I pay a curly wig. Me like curly hair. I me like it because it have this natural look about it. I never realized. Just rather man. So this is another one. So all of them are the same thing. So today I watch Auntie. Alright, I know me I get bored. So you see, this kind of have a little shade like a brownish. It's a black and then I have more curly wig too, you know. I have more curly wig. And one of them basically is the same thing. So I could just choose one, fix it up, add the hairdresser, wear it, and get myself together and go Auntie. Okay? It's not a wiggy person. Just I'm making you know that. But because of certain elegant kind of stuff, you have to put myself together. Now, I'm going to look at my jewelry. Yeah, I'm going to look at my jewelry now and see when I go wear. Anyways, hope you enjoy my video today. But today is the wig for wear go Auntie Donna bash. Adios guys. You see the wig when I just try on? I think I did wear go Gracie. Um, I wear that week they go Gracie birthday. Then I wear it back. So I'm gonna have more now. I'm gonna have short wigs. I have more short wigs. Some of them not wear yet, but I find myself more lean to the longer wigs than now. And time hot, so maybe I should have maybe I'm not even wear no wig. Tomorrow morning if I wake up and I feel like I don't need no wig at time I go on. Just go ahead, you're just gonna make sure curl up my hair.